In this video, I'll show you how you can remove your search bar on Windows 10. Now this is super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first what you want to do is you want to right click on your taskbar and make sure you're not right clicking on any of your tabs. Then right click on a blank space, and from in here you should see a button that says search. Now from in here you can choose hidden and it will now disappear. This will free up a lot of space down here if you never use it anyways. And you also have the option to choose the search icon only. So let's do that. Now it will only be the icon, and only if you click on it, it will expand. But basically press on hidden if you want it to be removed. And then if you want it back, you can just put it back like this. That's basically how you can do it on Windows 10, guys. It's super simple and super easy. Now I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.